$149 for a DJI drone in 2026. That sounds almost impossible, right? But hold that thought. We'll come back to that surprising price in a moment. First, let's talk about the real headline grabber, the DJI Leto X1. This is the drone that's already being called the DJI Mini 5 Pro killer. DJI upcoming Leto X1 will be DJI Mini 5 Pro killer. Yes, that's exactly how it feels right now. DJI is rumored to introduce another compact drone in the sub-249-gram category, and this one is creating serious buzz. The name expected for this new model is DJI Leto X1. From early leaks and reports, it looks like DJI is preparing something powerful yet affordable for beginners and travel creators. The Leto X1 could replace the well-known Mini 4K and might even act as the true successor to the Mini SE series. That alone makes it important because both of those drones were extremely popular among entry-level users. Now, DJI seems ready to refresh that segment with better hardware and smarter features. Its existence is no longer just a rumor. The FCC listing has already confirmed the drone, which means development is real and the launch could happen soon. Leaker Igor Bogdanov first shared an image of the Leto X1 propellers and later revealed FCC documents pointing toward key specifications. The leaked propeller arm design looks very compact, suggesting that DJI is focusing heavily on portability. It looks small, clean, and travel-ready. The drone will weigh under 249 grams. This is a big deal in the United States because drones under this weight do not require FAA registration for recreational flying. That makes it extremely attractive for beginners who want to start flying without dealing with paperwork. It also makes the Leto X1 perfect for travelers, vloggers, and casual creators who want something light and easy to carry in a backpack. Some reports suggest that the Leto series might actually be a rebranded version of the SkyRover drone that was released a few months ago. If that turns out to be true, DJI may have refined and optimized that platform under its own branding. That could mean proven hardware with DJI's trusted software experience. Now, let's talk about the camera because this is where things get interesting. The Leto X1 is rumored to feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. For a drone in this size and price category, that is impressive. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. On top of that, video recording is expected to reach up to 4K at 120 frames per second. That means smooth, slow-motion footage in full 4K resolution, something usually reserved for higher-end drones. Obstacle sensing is also rumored to be included. However, due to its expected price range, it will most likely feature only downward obstacle sensing. That still helps during landing and low-altitude flights, especially for beginners who are still building confidence. It may not have full omnidirectional sensors like premium models, but it should provide basic safety support. The FCC input details mention charging support at 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts up to 3 amps maximum. These numbers suggest that fast charging could be supported. While the charging speed might not be ultra-fast, it should be efficient enough for quick battery top-ups between flights. That's practical for travel and outdoor shooting days. The expected price is around $350. This places the Leto X1 right between the Neo 2 and the Mini 5 Pro. At this price point, it becomes a very strong competitor. It offers advanced camera specs, lightweight design, and beginner-friendly features without reaching premium pricing. That's exactly why many people are calling it a Mini 5 Pro alternative. The DJI Leto X1 appears designed for new pilots who want strong performance without spending too much. It could be the perfect training drone before upgrading to higher-end models. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, DJI might once again dominate the entry-level drone market. Now the big question is, will it truly live up to the hype? $149 for a DJI drone in 2026? It sounds unreal. Many people would think it's a mistake or a limited-time glitch. But this is real. DJI has dropped the price of the DJI Neo to just $149, making it one of the cheapest 4K drones you can buy in the United States right now. And that is what makes this deal so serious. This is not a refurbished unit. It is not open box. It is a brand new drone. The DJI Neo has even been recognized by Time as one of the best tech inventions. Now, it is available at its lowest price ever. On top of that, if you use certain bank offers like a Visa discount on Amazon, the price can drop even further. In some cases, buyers are paying close to $99 for the drone itself. Looking at the pricing history makes this deal even more interesting. The base model originally launched at $199. During Black Friday 2025, it dropped to $159. Now, in February 2026, it is down to $149. That is the lowest official price so far. The Fly More combo was originally $349. During Black Friday, it dropped to $289. Now it is available for $259. The RC controller add-on started at $427 and dropped to $399 during sales, and it remains at $399 now. That changes everything for budget buyers. The DJI Neo is part of DJI's entry-level lineup, but it does not feel basic. It records in 4K resolution, which means you get sharp and clear video quality. For content creators, travelers, and beginners, this is a big advantage at this price point. One major reason the DJI Neo stands out is its weight. It weighs only 135 grams. That means it is under the 250-gram limit set by the FAA. Because of this, you do not need FAA registration for normal use. For casual flying, this makes things simple and stress-free. You can just take it out, power it on, and start flying. Another key feature is that you do not always need a remote ID module, especially when using simple tracking modes. The drone is designed for easy flying without complicated setup. It focuses on convenience. The DJI Neo comes packed with smart features. It offers AI-powered subject tracking. This allows the drone to automatically follow you and keep you in the frame. If you are walking, running, or riding a bike, the drone tracks you smoothly. This makes it perfect for solo creators. It also includes automated quick shots. These are preset flight patterns that create cinematic-style videos with just one tap. Even if you have never flown a drone before, you can get professional-looking shots. Palm takeoff and landing is another standout feature. You can launch the drone directly from your hand and land it the same way. This removes the need for flat surfaces and makes it easy to use almost anywhere. For safety, the DJI Neo has full propeller guards. This makes it safer for indoor flying and for beginners who are still learning. It also includes smart return to home, so the drone can automatically return to its starting point when needed. Flight time is up to 18 minutes per battery. For a drone this small and affordable, that is solid performance. It gives enough time to capture quick travel clips, social media videos, or short cinematic shots. One of the most interesting parts of the DJI Neo is that it is designed to work without a traditional controller. This is not a weakness, it is actually the main idea behind the product. DJI built this drone for solo users who do not want to carry bulky gear. You can launch and control it from your palm. You can use simple hand gestures to take photos or start recording. You can even use voice commands for basic control. On top of that, the DJI Fly app lets you use your smartphone as a virtual controller. This means you can manage flight direction, camera settings, and shooting modes directly from your phone. Because of this design, the DJI Neo feels modern and minimal. It removes the complexity that many beginners struggle with. Instead of focusing on advanced manual control, it focuses on smart automation. The entire series was designed to reduce the need for a bulky controller. It is made for vloggers, travelers, and social media creators who want quick and simple aerial shots without complicated controls. At $149, the DJI Neo changes the entry-level drone market. The real question is not whether it is affordable. The real question is how long this price will last.